me begin by congratulating the Maulana Azad Urdu National University for celebrating this bicentenary of Urdu journalism in India. While we celebrate this historic movement of 200 years of Urdu journalism in India and also the glorious past, we should be very clear that Urdu journalism and traditional print journalism itself faces a huge challenge. And दो तीन issues जो बहुत challenging are the rise of social media, the online news portals and digital technology. Therefore, what I feel is, while wishing the students and the faculty and university all the very best, my message is, please try to shape the students of the future in a hybrid model. That is, आपकी teaching जो है उर्दू में और थोड़ी English, ये mix जो model है will be very useful for the future, because these students should be well versed with the social media channels like Facebook or Metaverse as it is called, Google, Instagram and YouTube. इनमें जो है global reach and employment potential के लिए इस social media platforms and online is very, very important. While giving good encouragement to language, it is important that these students are also made to learn the technology issues that drive news. For example, artificial intelligence and robo reporters जो इस्तेमाल हो रहे हैं world over, इन चीज़ों के ऊपर students should be made aware and how they will impact. It is very, very important in the coming future. And to go into a bit of a past, being from Hyderabad, इस शहर में उर्दू जर्नलिज्म की काफ़ी तरक्की है, काफ़ी न्यूज़पेपर्स है, काफ़ी अच्छी ज़बान है और उर्दू जो है इज़ ए लैंग्वेज ऑफ द हार्ट एंड लव, और दिल और दर्द की ज़बान है, एंड इट कैन बेस्ट एक्सप्रेस these two features wonderfully. I am very happy to be associated with these bicentenary year celebrations, where a series of events will be held to highlight the role of Urdu journalism right from the freedom movement to the development of the country over the last 70-75 years. And I am very happy to be associated with this bicentenary. Thank you.